Welcome back to Antrix Media, your source for eye-opening content. From hidden truths to surprising statistics, get ready to have your mind blown. Without further ado, let's unveil these 10 shocking facts. Number 1. The sugar trap. Did you know that the average American consumes about 17 teaspoons of added sugar every day? That's way above the recommended limit by health experts. From sugary sodas to processed snacks, sugar lurks in unsuspecting foods and beverages, contributing to various health issues like obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. It's time to rethink our sweet tooth and opt for healthier alternatives. Number 2. Fast food nation. Fast food has become a staple in many diets worldwide, but here's a shocking fact. A regular serving of fast food contains about 1,000 calories on average. That's nearly half the recommended daily calorie intake for adults. With excessive sodium, saturated fats, and refined carbs, frequent fast food consumption can lead to weight gain, poor nutrition, and increased risk of chronic diseases. Number 3. The meat industry's environmental impact. The meat industry is a major contributor to environmental degradation, with livestock farming accounting for a significant portion of greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and water pollution. Here's a shocking statistic: producing 1 pound of beef requires about 1,800 gallons of water. As awareness grows about the environmental impact of meat consumption, many are opting for plant-based alternatives to reduce their carbon footprint. Number 4. Food waste epidemic. Did you know that approximately 1/3 of all food produced for human consumption is wasted globally? That's a staggering amount of food going to waste while millions around the world suffer from hunger and food insecurity. From farm to fork, food waste occurs at every stage of the supply chain, highlighting the need for better food distribution, storage, and consumption habits. Number 5. Misleading food label. Be wary of misleading food labels that tout products as natural, low-fat, or organic, as they may not always be as healthy as they seem. Shockingly, many processed foods marketed as healthy are packed with hidden sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial additives. It's essential to read ingredient lists and nutritional labels carefully to make informed choices about what we eat. Number 6. Synthetic food additives. Processed foods often contain a slew of synthetic additives to enhance flavor, texture, and shelf life. Shockingly, there are over 3,000 food additives approved for use in the United States alone, many of which have questionable safety profiles. From artificial colors and preservatives to flavor enhancers and sweeteners, these additives may pose health risks when consumed in excess. Number 7. Beverage calorie bombs. Beverages like soda, energy drinks, and sweetened coffee beverages are notorious for their high sugar content and empty calories. Shockingly, a single can of soda can contain upwards of 40 grams of sugar, exceeding the recommended daily limit in just one serving. These liquid calorie bombs contribute to weight gain, tooth decay, and various metabolic disorders. Number 8. Pesticide residues in produce. Conventionally grown fruits and vegetables may harbor pesticide residues, even after washing. Shockingly, certain produce items are more prone to pesticide contamination than others, earning them a spot on the dirty dozen list. Pesticide exposure has been linked to adverse health effects, including cancer, neurodevelopmental disorders, and hormonal disruptions. Number 9. High salt intake. The average person consumes far more salt than recommended, with processed and packaged foods being major contributors. Shockingly, excessive salt intake is a leading risk factor for high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke. Despite efforts to reduce salt consumption, many are unaware of the hidden sodium lurking in everyday foods. Number 10. Hidden allergens in food. Food allergies affect millions of people worldwide, yet many are unaware of the hidden allergens in their food. Shockingly, allergens like peanuts, tree nuts, dairy, and gluten can be found in unexpected places, posing a risk to those with food sensitivities. Cross-contamination and mislabeling are common culprits, emphasizing the importance of allergen awareness and food labeling laws. Thank you for watching Antrix Media. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.